the Picts, long for our land, but oppressed by the colonizers' greedy hands. So the slaves and massacred in our past, now fighting to reclaim what's rightfully ours. Invasions and genocide, our history bloodstained, but our spirit remains unbroken and unchained. Scotland, our homeland, threatened more and more. Colonizers seizing more land as we struggle to endure. We're the voices of the Picts, rising from the dust, fighting for our freedom in a fake union so unjust. Though they try to exterminate us, we stand tall and proud, united in our struggles, shouting independence out loud. In a forced colony with lots, oppressed and unseen, not one caring how we felt, or unaware the ancient blood that runs in Scots veins, and our land with Scots shed blood is forever stained. Drowning in sorrow, drugs from afar, brought in by the oppressor to keep Scots below par. Still we resist with every breath we take, refusing to be silenced in this endless mistake. For our ancestors' legacy, we fight with all our might to reclaim our homeland from these hands we fight. We are the voices of the Picts, reclaiming our land. Against the oppressor's grip, we make our stand. Though they try to exterminate us, we've never given up. For our spirit is unbreakable, self-determination. Our eyes so shut up, through the darkness we found our way, guided by the light of a brighter day. For the spirit of the Picts will forever endure in the hearts of our people, steadfast and sure. So hear our raging voices, rising strong and true, as we fight for our freedom, for all that is due. For the descendants of the Picts will never be subdued. We will reclaim our land, we will set our people free. We will rectify our falsified history.